You think you can angle a Jamaican woman? Wagwan, so we in the street, yes, again, I share the Jamaican love. So buck up on this young man, and we just want to share the Jamaican vibes and say why him love and why him know about Jamaica. Good evening, my brother. What is your name and where are you from?
My name is Teddy and I'm from Marshfield, Massachusetts.
Teddy, the girl named Betty. So Jamaican have a way of giving people name based off of how them look. What you think a Jamaican would call you?
My name's Theodore.
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 Theodore, I feel like a Jamaican would call you redhead because show your ear red. What comes to mind if you hear some Jamaican friends say them are gonna run a boat?
Oh, I have no idea, but I want to know what it means.
Alright, so when Jamaicans say them are gonna run a boat, it means that them are gonna cook, right? They're gonna put money together and them are gonna cook some food. Zane, so tell me one thing, right? In the Caribbean, they don't really teach you how to deal with mental stress as a man. How you think if you deal with mental stress?
I deal with it by meditating.
Meditating, how you meditate? Marijuana? How you meditate?
I sit there and close my eyes and just try to be in the moment.
Okay, so no Buddha voodoo thing, right? No. Alright. What is your biggest turn off when it comes to a woman?
My biggest turn off? Maybe just not being polite.
Not being polite. You think you can angle a Jamaican woman?
No.
Got Jamaican woman strong, you know. Some people say Jamaica is the capital of the Caribbean because it echoes loud. Why you think Jamaica stand out above the other Caribbean island?
Because it's so unique and has so much to offer.
Alright, may I leave a Jamaican word with you? Say big up yourself.
Big up yourself.
Wonderful. How did he do? Would I give him a 10? You want to go to Jamaica?
Yeah.
You want me to book a trip for you?
Oh,
Alright,
yeah.
big up yourself, my friend.
There we go.
Let's say I was Zane, 876 culture out in the street, sharing the Jamaican love. Zane, feel the culture, wear the culture, be the culture. Big up yourself.